Potato mushroom curry, Indian, vegetarian, vegan, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can see at the back there, I've got these three guys, which are roughly the same in volume. So I've got 250 grams there of mushrooms, which I've just sliced up. Here I've got like 3 cups of potatoes, cut them into kind of bite-sized pieces. And here I've got, I think there's like 3 decent sized tomatoes there, 1 cup of onion, some chili, up to you how much chili you want to put in, you can adjust that yourself, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then here what I always call the big 4, we've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili. Let's get moving. So in that pan there, I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but of course change the oil to whatever you want, and if you like, use less. I know some people say I use a bit too much oil. Now I didn't show you this just earlier, but we've got here a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds, which we're going to put in. Just for a few seconds, we're going to let them do their thing in that oil, and they'll infuse the oil and give it a lovely flavour. If you wanted, you could be adding different things in here like cinnamon, black peppercorns, green cardamom pods. The list goes on and on, but I'm just going with cumin seeds on this one. Okay, we're going to take our potatoes, drop them in, and we're going to fry these for about 4 minutes. So we just want to give those potatoes a little bit of a head start. We're now going to add in 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced, and I'm going to be adding some salt. We're going to go for 3 more minutes on this fairly lively heat, as you can hear, stirring pretty much all of the time. Next up, we're going to add that tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. It's a 50-50 mix of the two, and our fresh chili. Let's just go for 2 more minutes. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato like I have. In there we're going to drop in our 4 spices, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander, cumin and chili powder. In it all goes. Let's stay on this lively heat. We're going to go for 5 or 6 minutes now. Really want to cook those tomatoes down, and if you have used a nice juicy ripe tomato like myself, you are going to get a nice kind of gravy or masala happening there. Give it a stir every now and then. So you can see I've got an extraordinary amount of liquid from my tomatoes because that's a nice, ripe and juicy. If you didn't, you could add a little touch of water. Now we're going to add in our mushrooms, 250 grams of mushrooms. And we're going to go again on this kind of fairly lively heat for 4 more minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. And that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. Let's get that 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder in there, which is a lovely little finishing spice. And I've got some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. In the mix it goes. Check it for salt. Look at that. It's absolutely wonderful. Let me get that on a plate. And that's it. Beautiful, nice and easy. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.